Argentina is going to go into a title defense. Messi is the captain of the defending world champions Argentina. So they go into their title defense in 6 months from now. But so far as its impact on Indian football and real football is concerned, I do not see there will be much. Of course, there will be a lot of young boys and girls inside the stadium, inside the stadiums that he has been, who got this brilliant opportunity to watch Messi up close, see a little bit of his moves, his humility, what a superstar brings along with him. But, if you talk about real benefits for Indian football, that's really not happening. The Week magazine ran an article saying that sponsorships of around 120 to 180 crores have been raised for this event. But when you talk about ISL, there was a RFP tendering process done for Indian Super League, and also for the other Indian Football League, but there were no takers of these leagues. So people who were spending a premium on sponsorships are not actually willing to spend on Indian football, and that is the reality. The Indian team is ranked, the Indian men's team is ranked at 142, women's team a little higher, but the benefits of this visit really is not going to percolate to the grassroots or to even elite Indian football.
That's right, Rika. Yesterday in Mumbai we saw Lionel Messi interacting with Sunil Chhetri, India's greatest, footballer. He gave him his jersey as well, which was, such a lovely act. And and you talk about Indian football, and we do know Sunil Chhetri himself is quite frustrated with the fact that ISL has no takers and has been put off. But let's talk again about what's happening right now, and young fans getting, autographs from Lionel Messi. Tell us more about his program in Delhi today. There's also going to be closed-door meetings with some lucky people who have very deep pockets, if the numbers are to be believed, Rika.
Well, yes, in Delhi, there were many people who clicked pictures with Messi for around 11 lakh rupees. Each picture and a handshake cost 11 lakh rupees. And there were some corporates who were even willing to break the bank. They were willing to pay as much as 1 crore rupees for a picture with Lionel Messi, and that's what has been told to us, to NDTV. And those pictures were, of course, clicked at the Leela Palace Hotel.